How to use the backup camera on your 2025 Ford Bronco. At South Bay Ford, we love showing drivers how to get the most out of their Ford. Today, let's take a quick look at how to use the backup camera, a feature that makes parking, reversing, and going off-roading safer and easier. Whenever you shift into reverse, your Bronco's rear view camera automatically appears right here on your center touchscreen. You'll see live video of what's behind you, along with color-coded guidelines to help judge distance. Green means clear, yellow means you're getting close, and red means stop. These guidelines even move as you turn the steering wheel, showing exactly where your Bronco is heading. At the top left, you'll see the magnification icon, which is the zoom feature for the backup camera. It lets you zoom in on the hitch or a closer view behind the vehicle for more precise backing. At the top right, you'll see the car symbol with beeping. This is rear parking sensors, or rear parking aid. It alerts you with visual bars and beeps as you get close to obstacles behind the Bronco. Remember, always use your mirrors and check your surroundings. The camera is a helpful tool, but your eyes are the best safety feature. When you're done backing up, simply shift out of reverse and the camera view will close automatically. From the city to the trail, your camera system helps you see more, do more, and drive smarter. For more tips like this, subscribe to South Bay Ford and Lincoln's YouTube.